Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla!
Bite man, Jesus Christ! Oh God! Jesus! Oh God!
Me soon show you the rest of that full video. So me I say no, because there's a bike man that was involved in this video that people need to see what really take place. Thursday, March 14th at Perkins Blvd, St. Andrews. So me I say an accident take place with the producer Notnice. This is the Dancehall Skilla. You know the thing got me name Skilla. You see me I say welcome to my channel. But before we go to any further, I want to make sure I tell you so you can click the subscribe button if you need to see or stay up to date with what go on the thing. You see me I say? Alright, watch this now. Now we all hear about the producer Notnice accident, him escaped serious injuries and so forth in a 3-vehicle collision accident from Perkins Blvd, March 15th. So I said to you, now the producer was mentioned, but then I mentioned nothing about the biker and what happened to the biker. Yes, so I said to you, now I have a full footage to show you about the whole little thing, you know, by concerned viewers of the Dancehall Skilla channel right as well. So me I said to you, and it's normal. Cause remember from the first time me I tell you from me hear about this 3-vehicle collision and me hear say that a bike man was involved, me know say that bike man, it might not be a nice thing what happened. So me I say, and it just kinda really kinda seems bad to see that the social media and the news team just pick out certain things but never pick out the most important thing. Yes, so I say, well, even if we pick out everyone in a one, but then just pick out the producer, but not mentioning what really happened to the bike man. Yes, so I say, and thanks to some of my viewers, them, you know, my viewers like Gary Thompson. Yes, so I said to you, he was very concerned about that biker. Yes, so I say, because up till now we don't hear much if the biker is dead or alive. You get what I'm saying to you? But he was terribly injured. Alright? Now bear in mind that this video we're gonna show you, it's not pretty at all. So if you know you cannot handle certain content, please do not watch. Alright? Anyways, if now when you finish watching this video, leave your comments and let me know what you think, you know, because I'm gonna leave the video with you at that. Yes, I said to you, but until the next time, it's a Dancehall Skilla. And you don't know, you just watch the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Observe.
Bite man, Jesus Christ! Oh God! Jesus! Oh God! Jesus! My life! My life, man, in Jesus' name!
My boss status.
Hold on, I can't up the road.